Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So 3rd October is celebrated as German Unity Day. So I thought of creating some look. So let's begin with the eye makeup. I'm using the light shade concealer. For setting the base, I'm using the compact. I'm using this black eyeshadow according to the German flag. Cutting my crease with a light shade concealer so that my other colors will be more visible and they look more beautiful. Using this color board from Beauty Glazed, and I'm using this red color. I'm using this yellow color from the same palette. Now I'm using this golden glitter over the yellow color. Now I'm going to shape my brows with the eyebrow pencil. I'm using this pen eyeliner from Sephora. I'm using this mascara to complete my eye look. Last but not the least, I'm using this copper color over my brow bones. I'm using this DAYTOX vitamin C serum. I'm using this Rene makeup base. It has a shimmer in it. Using this deep brown red corrector under my eyes, all over my mouth area and a bit of it on my forehead. Now I'm applying Huda Beauty foundation all over my face. The only drawback with this foundation is like you have to apply it really fast, otherwise it's dry up so quickly that you can't blend it properly. Now to set the base, I'm using the compact powder. Using this brown eyeshadow as a contour powder. As I told you earlier also that you have to contour your cheeks from the middle of your ears and exactly end at the starting of your eyes. Now using this blush from MAC. Using this light shade as a highlighter. Using this lip liner from Essence. And to fill the lips, I'm using this lipstick from Kiko Milano. And to highlight my lips, I'm using this lip gloss from Mud. And to complete the look, I'm using this makeup fixer spray from Kiko Milano. So if you like the video, please comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Till then, ciao ciao.